Hi everybody, Amanda Prowse here from Ronaval Real Estate in Los Barriles. Come with me today to tour Casa Cielo Grande. As you can see, there's some pretty spectacular views, so come along with me to catch them. As you approach the front doors, you're immediately greeted by panoramic Sea of Cortez views and an open floor plan. Imagine doing your dishes with this view. This contemporary home offers 1,820 square feet of air-conditioned living space and features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Sits on a spacious 1,562 square meter lot with an ideal space for a pool right out here on the front deck. There's also a fun spiral staircase up onto the roof where you can really enjoy those panoramic Sea of Cortez views. covered parking area could easily be closed off to make a full garage. Thanks for checking out Casa Cielo Grande with me. This home is on the market for $750,000. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and grab my contact info right below in the description if you want more details. Bye for now.